I Am Power Award nominee Diane Stroud. Introduction to Life Insurance.
My name is Diane Sky Stroud. I've been a licensed insurance agent and broker since 2014. So I've been in the arena of finances, as far as insurance is concerned, for 10 years now. Prior to focusing in on life insurance, I was doing health insurance. And prior to that, I've always been involved in different entrepreneurial endeavors since my 20s. So I started off in music and fashion. I migrated over to health and wellness, and from health and wellness and culture, dance and culture, to this arena of finance. Well, one of the most obvious reasons that people need life insurance is that we come in the world and we're going to leave the world. So the first reason people need to have life insurance is to make sure that they're covering their final expenses. We come into the world, and that's not our responsibility, right? Someone provides a means for us, for our mothers to be able to give birth and to be able to provide us with a way of making it into our adult years. But when you become an adult, you have to take responsibility for your actions. And one of those things that you're responsible for is how you're going to lead this life. Because unlike in times gone by, where social ceremonies were covered by the society and community that you lived in, nowadays you have to pay for everything that you do. And that also means leaving this life. So it can be pricey. Most of the time, unless you've had conversations with others about this, most people have no idea how much it costs just to leave this life. So it's important to put that money aside so you're not leaving the financial responsibility, which could actually be a burden on a loved one. Life insurance is one of the most fundamental parts of your financial package. When a person says that they've met with a financial planner, most people are not experts in all areas of finances. We have real estate, commercial real estate, residential real estate, we have property, we have precious metals, we have stocks, we have bonds, we have options, we have futures, we have artwork, we have any number of areas in the arena of finances. Most people are specializing in one or two of those areas. It's rare that you have someone who specializes in all areas. So insurance is one of those slices of the pie that we call finances. And it's one of those fundamental, most insurance planners are not even going to take you seriously if you don't have or you're not willing to consider a life insurance policy, because this is on your very life.
Tehu Community Development. 0% interest business startup loans for terms of 12 to 18 months. Visit us at tehucommunity.com or call us at 877-702-2228. Your business is our priority.